Division of integers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
To divide means to separate the things into equal parts. If there are 15 chocolates to be distributed equally among 5 children, then each child will get 3 chocolates.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Mathematically, the division of two numbers can be represented like this or like this and solved like this. You must have learned this in your earlier classes. In this video, let's understand division of integers. Integers are collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. Here are some rules that you should follow while carrying out division of integers. Rule number 1. Division of two positive integers. While dividing two positive integers, we divide them without considering the sign and put a positive sign before the result. So, you just have to divide the numbers to find the answer. For example, 8 divided by 4 is equals to 2, 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8, 21 divided by 3 is equals to 7. Remember, the division of two positive integer is a positive number. The number may not be an integer. For example, this number is not an integer. It's a fraction. We will learn about fractions in other videos. Rule number 2. Division of two negative integers. While dividing two negative integers, we divide them without considering the sign and place a positive sign before the resulting number. For example, minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equals to plus 2. Minus 16 divided by minus 2 is equals to plus 8. Minus 21 divided by minus 7 is equals to plus 3. So the division of two integers with same sign is always positive number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Rule number 3. Division of a negative integer by a positive integer. While dividing a negative integer by a positive integer, we divide them without considering the sign and place a minus sign before the result. For example, minus 8 divided by 4 is equals to minus 2. Minus 16 divided by 2 is equals to minus 8. Minus 21 divided by 7 is equals to minus 3. So the division of a negative integer by a positive integer is always negative number. Rule number 4. Division of a positive integer by a negative integer. While dividing a positive integer by a negative integer, we divide them without considering the sign and place a minus sign before the result. For example, 8 divided by minus 4 is equals to minus 2. 16 divided by minus 2 is equals to minus 8. 21 divided by minus 7 is equals to minus 3. So, the division of a positive integer by a negative integer is always negative number.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
You can remember these results by remembering the division of 2 plus is plus, division of 2 minus is plus, and division of 1 plus and 1 minus is minus. Let's solve some examples. Solve minus 34 divided by 2, 23 divided by minus 1, minus 56 divided by minus 8. First, minus 34 divided by 2 is division of negative number by a positive number. To solve this, we will divide the numbers without sign and put a negative sign before the result as per the rule we have learnt earlier. So answer is minus 17. 23 divided by minus 1 is division of positive integer by negative integer. Here also we will divide numbers and put minus sign before the result. So we get minus 23. Minus 56 divided by minus 8 is a division of two negative integers. We divide these numbers and since both are negative, so we will put positive sign as per the rule. So we get answer plus 7 or simply 7. Example, the product of two numbers is 105. One of the number is minus 21. What is the other number? Let's first understand the relation between product of two numbers and division. If product of two integers a and b is another integer c, then c divided by a is equals to b and c divided by b is equals to a. So, in the given question, it is given that the product of an unknown number and minus 21 is 105. So we can find unknown number by carrying out the division of 105 by minus 21.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
This is division of positive integer by negative integer. So first, we will perform division without considering the sign. Let's do this division. Since the digit in divisor are 2, so select two digits of dividend. Check if the divisor can divide these two digits. Since 10 is less than 21, so 21 cannot divide it. So let's select one more digit of dividend. Now the number 105 is divisible by 21. Since 21 into 5 is 105, so 5 is the suitable quotient. Take 5 as quotient and perform the division like this. This gives us the answer 5. Since this is the division of positive number by a negative number, so we will put negative sign before the answer 5. So the other number whose multiplication with minus 21 gives 105 is minus 5. Example, a car travels 500 km in 10 hours. How much distance it covers in 1 hour? The same question can be asked like this. A car travels 500 km in 10 hours. What is the speed of the car?
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The car travels distance of 500 kilometers in time of 10 hours. We are required to find the distance travelled by car in 1 hour. We will take it as x. Taking cross multiplication, 10 multiplied by x equals to 500 multiplied by 1. That is, x equals to 500 divided by 10, which is equals to 50. So the car travels 50 km in 1 hour, or the speed of the car is 50 km per hour. It can also be solved using formula as follows. In the question, we have given distance is equals to 500 kilometers. The time required to cover 500 kilometers is 10 hours. And we have to find the distance covered in 1 hour, which is called speed of the car. The speed, time and distance are related as speed into time is equals to distance. You can remember this relation as STT. To find speed, we can rearrange it as Speed is equals to distance divided by time. So, speed is equals to 500 km divided by 10 hours. Let's take the units outside the parenthesis. Speed is equals to 500 divided by 10 km per hour. Dividing the numbers, we get speed is equals to 50 km per hour, or the car travels 50 km in 1 hour. For more videos, log on to learnfatafat.com and get your favorite course the way you want.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.